Install the hammer cam jumper. Chronograph cam. Next, carefully pull back the hammer cam jumper and gently push down the chronograph cam. Test the intervention and operation of the chronograph cam and spread the oil evenly. Detent for hour hammer. Operating lever spring. Oiling the movement parts needs to be done accurately. Less is more. Minute counter driving wheel. The lock. Operating lever. Stretch back the lock spring and gently push down the operating lever so that it snaps into place.
Tonight, won't you talk to me? I wanna heal your sorrows. Just come to me. We'll make a new tomorrow. Talk to me. One night to find the answer. Talk to me. What makes this heart beat faster?
Ratchet wheel driving wheel and the chronograph wheel friction. And it is easier to first place the chronograph wheel friction before mounting the chronograph bridge. Bottom of the chronograph bridge. Now turn the chronograph bridge and carefully install it onto the movement. Pay attention to this lever, it needs to be fitted in place well, so that the chronograph bridge will be mounted completely flat. Before tightening the screws, check the workings of the lever and wheels.
What makes this heart beat faster?
Minute counter jumper,
What makes this heart beat faster? What makes this heart beat faster?
and make sure the minute counter jumper is mounted completely flush against the chronograph bridge. Reduction wheel. Don't forget to give oil to the reduction wheel tube. Because there will be a lot of resistance on this axis, the oil is very important to prevent rapid wear. Oscillation pinion.
Better off. I'm gonna find
Install the oscillation pinion with the white pinion down. Chronograph wheel. Minute counting wheel. The clutch. Reversing wheel. The gear teeth of the reversing wheel are worn down, and thus this wheel needs to be replaced with a new one. The hammer. Install the hammer. Automatic device bridge. This is the most difficult bridge to be installed, so please be careful. To prevent irreparable damage to the axle, it is best to check the workings of each sprocket to check these are placed well. Remember to also check the oscillation pinion. Install the clutch spring. Hammer spring. Be careful when pulling back the hammer spring, because it packs a lot of tension. Testing the chrono functions. Start. Stop. and a reset. Check the workings of the minute counter jumper. Now the chronograph mechanism is installed and working. For the assembly of the handsetting mechanism, we need to turn the movement upside down. Free cannon pinion. Minute wheel, the hour wheel, intermediate calendar wheel driving wheel, date indicator driving wheel. Attention! I accidentally misplaced the date indicator driving wheel. It shouldn't be fitted there. This is the correct place. During the further course of the video, this wheel is still in the wrong place. Please do not take this into account. Our counting wheel, our hammer, our hammer operating lever, our counter lock, and the hour hammer spring. Date platform, note the misplacement of the date indicator driving wheel. Double corrector, date indicator, the date jumper, and the day jumper, jumper's spring, carefully bring tension to the jumper spring so that it doesn't fly across the room. Date jumper maintaining plate. Date indicator maintaining plate. As brought to your attention earlier, the date indicator driving wheel shouldn't be in this place but rather here. Test the workings of the date setting mechanism. Open the dial fasteners. Place the dial onto the movement. And finally, close the dial fasteners. The next video will show you how to refit the watch hands and how to safely replace the movement into the Breitling watch case. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and then I see you in the next video. Thank you.